ThriveCart affiliate setup. In this video, what we're going to be doing is we're going to go ahead and discuss on how you can become an affiliate for ThriveCart. Now, ThriveCart, if you don't know, is a shopping cart service for selling digital products. It has order bumps, upsells, and downsells, becoming a powerful program. It's a powerful affiliate program built in as well. It has everything most course creators need, and it is also incredibly affordable. So, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be seeing how you can go ahead and become an affiliate and promote the affiliate needs that ThriveCard needs you to do. And I'm also going to be giving you a brief review on ThriveCard and if it is actually worth it. Now, when it comes to starting off with their affiliate, what you're going to do is you're going to come over to thrivecart.com and you're going to go over to promote. Now, once you've come over to promote, it says become a ThriveCart affiliate. Sign up today to become an official affiliate for ThriveCart, the #1 cart platform. Now, here they are going to be giving you a little reasons why the affiliation is so great. So, you get industry leading commissions of up to 50%, which is an insane amount. 50% commission is great because let's say you make $100 in affiliate, you get $50 of commission, which is amazing. And they also let you know that it's a truly great product, that customers and affiliates love ThriveCart. Tools to make selling ThriveCart extremely easy, where they arm their affiliates with tools and intel to make selling ThriveCart as easy as possible. Now, they also say that be in the know first, where they continuously roll out new features and products. You get affiliate perks, where they offer promos, events, and contests specifically designed for their affiliates. And you also get a VIP affiliate community where you can earn your way up to VIP affiliate status to unlock even more perks, including an invite only community, exclusive events, and more. Now, to actually get yourself started off right away, what you're going to do is you're going to come up here and sign up. But before that, you should see what they're looking for to see if you're a good fit. So if you run your own business like an affiliate marketer, content creator, etc., you're a good fit. You have an engaged audience of creators that would benefit from ThriveCart. You understand the value of ThriveCart. You are willing to put in some work to drive new users to ThriveCart, and you are kind and do the right thing. So obviously, if you meet those terms, then you are perfect for ThriveCard. So to start things off, what you're going to do is you're going to create an account. Now, when it comes to the sign up section here, they're going to let us know that we need to provide them some details. So I'm going to go ahead and add my first and last name. Now, they're going to ask you for an email address. And after the email address, this is going to be your username to sign in. And then there's an affiliate ID, which should be obviously unique across the platform. So I'm going to add my email. Now let's go ahead and add our ID. So once we have done that, what happens from here is we're basically going to go over to the business company name. So here I'm going to add my business and company. And once we have done that, we're simply going to click on create my account. Now, once you've created your account, it's going to bring you here where it says sign up today to become an official affiliate for ThriveCart, the #1 cart platform. Follow the instructions below to confirm your registration for ThriveCart account one-time payment affiliates program. So obviously you're going to add your Facebook page first of all. So go ahead and add a URL of your Facebook page. Now, I'm simply going to add normal URLs right now, but if you have a proper Instagram or Facebook or LinkedIn page that is up and running and you get good leads out of it, you get good funnels out of it, then do make sure to add those details. Now, once you've added all of this, what you're going to do is you're going to click on continue, go ahead and provide them with the address, click on continue again, agree to their terms, and simply click on confirm my registration. Now, you've gone ahead and created an account with your affiliate. Okay. Now, once you've created your account, here's your dashboard. Now, in the affiliate dashboard, you're going to see all of your affiliate activities like your NET commissions, clicks, transactions, refund amount, refunds, and gross sales. So what you can do is you can see all of your affiliate activity over here. Now, if you want to go ahead and see the items that you're going to go ahead and become an affiliate for, you're going to go over to products for that, and they give you vendors. So there's two vendors, ThriveCart or ConvertBox. So let's say I'm going to go over to ThriveCart and click on View Products. Now, once you've gone over to ThriveCart, here you can see your products, or you can see the transactions that have been made to you. So let's say we have this product, right? So I'm going to go ahead and click on it. Now over here, it's going to say ThriveCart account one-time payment. So basically, this is an affiliation for the ThriveCart account. Now, the ThriveCart account goes ahead and costs someone around 450 to $500. So let's say if a person is paying $500, you're going to get $250 commission out of that, which is incredible. So for this, what you're going to be doing is obviously you're going to go ahead to this section where it says affiliate info. So this is your affiliate link. Now, to get an affiliate link, you're going to need to connect your PayPal to it, because whatever your PayPal is, they're going to go ahead and create a link according to that to make sure that you are a business efficient person. And obviously, do make sure it is a plus point and a perk if your PayPal is the business PayPal, but if it's not the business PayPal, it's not too big of an issue. So connect your PayPal account over here, and once you do that, you're going to get your affiliate link. Then you can move over to promo materials. Now, promo materials are, as the name says it, promotional materials. Now, you can use this to go ahead and see the different details you need for it. So first of all, you have the swipe, which is email subject lines. So ThriveCard Black Friday sale, launch your online business now, unbeatable Black Friday deal. So these are email subject lines, and then there's the proper email. So you can go ahead and copy these and start working along with it as you go on. Then we move over to tracking code. So basically, if you want to go ahead and allow a tracking code, which will trigger for customers that you send to this product, you can go ahead, add your IDs and your pixels and your tag managers, whatever you want. You can add them in here to create a tracking code for yourself, and this will obviously track your product's delivery. And then finally, there's the bonus delivery, which automatically delivers your bonus to customers that you refer as an affiliate. So basically, whatever customer is going to go ahead and log in or sign in through your affiliate that you send them via email, it's going to basically give you a proper bonus in this section. So once all of this is done, you can go over to commission history, and you can find all of your commissions in this one section when you're exporting them out of your overview. So pretty much that's the main idea of the affiliation. Now you can also change your vendors to ConvertBox, let's say, and it's the same as your ThriveCart. You're going to go over to their ConvertBox affiliate product, and once you do that, go ahead, set up your PayPal. You can check the promo materials. Now, in ConvertBox's case, you don't have any promo materials, but you can again go ahead, open tracking codes for yourself, and add bonus deliveries. So basically, the whole matter of the fact is that this is how you are going to become an affiliate for ThriveCart. And obviously, to do better affiliation, you can send out emails, you can send out different ads, different posters. You can go ahead and post, different types of descriptive media on the social media platforms like Pinterest, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and so on. So basically, at the end, it depends on you on how you're going to choose to run your ThriveCart affiliate platform. So this is the main idea of ThriveCart and how you're going to become an affiliate and promote products to it. So thank you for watching this video all the way till the end. Make sure to drop down a like and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, do let me know down in the comments below, and I'm going to be making a whole lot more for you. Till then, that is going to be all from me, and I'm going to be seeing all of you in the very next video. Have a great day. Goodbye.